Welcome back to Triple Or Outdoors. You guys have seen this spot before. You should recognize this spot. We've done good here before, and that's kind of what we're hoping for today. It's crystal clear water, always. This is the bay, Green Bay, that is. It's always crystal clear water. We always catch rock bass and smallmouth in here. They're pretty plentiful, so we're kind of hoping to catch a lot of those. With lures and worms, I'm just starting with worms to see what happens, because that's what we usually do. Ooh, there's a big one right there. Not big, but like, he's swimming over there. Just lurking.
Smallmouth?
Yeah. Not like a terrible one either. All right, well, I'm not gonna lie, I really like that sign. So I'm gonna get fishing quick so that I can actually catch some fish. There's also a lot of bugs out here, so don't know why, but they are here, so. Did you? I got a bite. I couldn't see what it was. I don't think it was big, but I did get a bite. Oh, Dad. There's a smallmouth looking at it right now. Oh. There's one. Not, like, terrible. No. Never mind.
That big goby?
Yeah. I must have hit a rock or something at first, because he felt pretty decent at first. And then I got him out, and the decent was gone. It's a fish, I guess. All right, so it's another morning. Day 2, didn't catch anything but gobies yesterday. So we're hoping today we can probably hoping to catch at least one smallmouth. Yeah, that's about where we're at. We don't have quite as long this morning. We didn't film a lot of yesterday either because we were just catching gobies. So we're just gonna see what happens. First fish of the day. I said first fish of the day. Yeah. It's almost not better than catching nothing, but it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better than catching nothing. No. Whatever that was took it. Like, I'm sitting here and all of a sudden it went boom. I'm upset about that one. Like,
There's other stuff out here.
There was slack in my line and it tightened quick. Like, it hit it. It wasn't a little goby.
Rock or goby bite?
Rock. What?
Clam?
Yeah. That goby I just caught was pretty aggressive.
You just caught one?
Yeah, I was holding it when you tossed the thing over.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah. That one was a decent bite too. Still a goby, but aggressive goby.
Watch my line.
Oh, you got him free?
That's a giant goby.
Is it? Oh my gosh. That thing's not super long. That thing's super fat though.
He's got a hook in his mouth.
Does he really?
Look. That's my line too.
Oh, I missed him.
Look.
Oh.
Ooh. Bob Hulk can bite.
Can he?
One of our hooks. So we've had some hooks mysteriously come off. We're not sure if it was rubbing on the rocks or what. We have to say it's rubbing on the rocks. It's the same line and the same hook I've been using. So I caught a fish that took my hook.
It's a big goby too. That thing's fat.
Look at it.
Got her hook back.
Got our hook back. So we caught a fish that previously took my hook.
This one's not. No, this thing's small.
That mystery is solved. The line is breaking when it rubs on the rocks and mussels and stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Not a great video. It was crazy fishing. We saw smallmouth all over the place, and I threw I don't know how many lures, live bait, everything. They didn't want anything to do with it. The only thing that wanted anything were gobies, which invasive species, and if you're from the area you know what they are. So that's all we caught. We probably caught 50, 60 of those. Just a ton. So anyway, to wrap things up real quick, as always, thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram. We have that all set up now under Triple Lure Outdoors.
It's been about 2 weeks and we're already at like 160 something followers. So thanks to you guys. Thanks to some other people. If you know anyone that's following but isn't subscribed, make sure you guilt trip them about that.
And also do the same for our YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 100. Once we get to 100, we're going to do the giveaway. We're at 89 right now, so we got 11 more to go. So tell everybody about it. Let's get them subscribed. And if you like the video, it's tough to like this when I get it, but hit like. If you haven't subscribed, do so already. Upcoming events. Next week, he and I are going camping for a week in La Crosse. We're going to do some awesome fishing over there. We did great over there last year. Hope we're going to do great again. Should be really good content. We're also going to do some trout fishing in the driftless area, which will be our first time doing that, and we're pretty pumped about that.
Mm-hmm. So if you want to see how we did last time, make sure you go check out those 2 videos. They both have the name La Crosse in them, so go check those out. Go see how we did last time and see if we can do better this time.
Yeah, we're going to see what we can do. Like you said, fundamental La Crosse, not hard to find. So that's what we're up to. Thanks for watching, and we're going to try to post one between now and before we go to La Crosse in a week. Don't know if that's going to happen or not, but
other than that, we're going to try and push out maybe 3 or 4 videos out of the week. We're also going to do some fishing off camera just because we haven't done that for a while, but yeah, we're going to try and get as much as we can on camera and make sure that we take you guys along with us for our fun trip.
Yeah, so take it easy. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching Triple Lure Outdoors.
I want to catch a fish.